Mom, I'm already in the airplane. Um, hey Mom, I'm already at the airplane. Mom, I'm already on the plane. Every form of transportation that is big enough for you to walk around in is going to be using on. So, bus, train, plane, ship, all are going to be used with on. I am on the train going to Rome. Now, for cars and elevators, they're smaller and enclosed. So, you're going to use in with them. I'm in the car on my way to school. What about for motorcycles and bicycles? Is it on, in, or at? If you said on, that's the right answer. She rides to work every day on a bicycle. Follow to learn more English.